Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the amazing Abby pitcher. This has been a fantastic addition to my kitchen. I love the sleek design and sturdy build of this pitcher. It has an ergonomic handle and it's very comfortable to grip. It's perfect for serving drinks at gatherings or simply using throughout the day. I love being able to open my fridge door and pour it right into my cup. It doesn't leak, and it also has a great spout strainer right here in the front, and that holds back the ice, the fruit that you don't want coming out of your liquids, but you can also take that off and pour right from the pitcher itself. I have a lot of pitchers in my kitchen, but this is by far my favorite one. It has quickly become my go-to choice. My favorite is having some water in here with ice, and I put some cut up lemons and limes, and that's always ready in my fridge to have in the morning, and it's really accessible. So if you're looking for a new pitcher, maybe for a gathering or just have in your home, then I would highly recommend this one. It's great for juices, teas, maybe some sangria, but that is just my point of view.